Okay, so um, this is for the week March. Today's Sunday, 22 March 2026. So last week I supposed to do a recap. I didn't do it last week. So this one is probably gonna be a little bit longer. I'm gonna try to cover 2 weeks. But it's not really that much like happening for swing trading. Like there's not that many setups. The market is like on a like downtrend, and it's been like, I mean, it's starting like a downtrend now, but it's been like in this range for I mean for what, for like since like November. For like 4 months it's been in like this range. And we this week we lost the 200. It's a really important level. SPY, same thing. IWM still over the 200. But in general, like the market is like looking like weak, like not that many setups. Only things going on are like oil, like energy and like oil. Um, and most of the things are like not like they follow, they go like one day, and then if they don't reverse that day, like they reverse like the second day. Like I have a lot of those that I caught like a week ago, not this week or last week. Like they broke out, and then I saw during that day at the breakout, and then the next day they just like came back. So I'm being like mostly like day trading, like probably like holding stuff for like maybe 10 minutes to like 30 minutes, some of them until the end of the day. But I'm being, or like some of them even like really quick, maybe like 10 minutes. So I've been holding stuff like really quick and selling really quick. I'm not holding anything overnight. I'm not swing trading at least until we get above all the EMAs again. Um, yeah, so let's see how they look. Hopefully we get like a big flush, so everything kind of like reset. But the problem is gonna be like if we like slow down trend, and then here we like consolidate and then go a little bit and then consolidate, and we keep like doing that, it's gonna take longer for new setups to like start again, like new swing, like breakouts and new swing setups on the long side. So yeah, for now, until the indices doesn't go over the EMA, if I don't start seeing like breakout working, like setups actually forming and then working and holding, I'm not gonna swing trade for now. Yeah, so for this week I don't have much. I'm just gonna be looking at oil. Oil had like this like big move, and now it's consolidating here. I'm waiting for like maybe like a breakout here and then go up. If we can go more to the upside, like more parabolic, I'm gonna play the short side with this is like a inverse ETF. So I'm gonna play the short side with this. But beside that, I'm not really liking anything else. I'm looking at PL, like CPL have the gap up like better than expected earnings. It gap up like big volume, but see like it went up and then it just like flushed back. So that's what everything's been happening in this market. Like go up and then that same day it come down, or it close really uh strong, and then the next day gap down or a gap down or flush. So that's what I'm not holding. PL, ASTS again. Like I was waiting for this breakout and then he just flushed back. Probably like if he break this one, I'm probably gonna like hold it for the same day. Maybe take like $3 of this, maybe close to 100, and then sell, and then that's gonna be the trade. other things that I'm watching. Oh, this BNRI, this is for me like a really, really good flag. So this one is another one that is not ready yet, but yeah, I played. I don't know if it was here, and then I sold it like the same day, almost break even, because I saw that it was like I to be honest, I chased it a little bit, and then like I sold it when I saw that it was kind of like reversing again. So was like break even. So yeah, this is one another one that I'm looking. But like if you get a really, if you get like a good trade, you can do like you can do almost $10 in like one day. So you can reach like $1, $2 and then make like 8, 9 in the same day. So as only I'm watching this one for a setup for like a daily, and then I'm watching like a two small caps. This one is like an energy name. This flag looks really good. Like this one, I might do like sell like most of the position and then maybe hold a little bit overnight. But this one looks really tight here over one, like already or over the $1. So if it can go, if tomorrow if it can break this one, it should be like 104. If it can break like 104 tomorrow, probably gonna go this one like probably until the 20 or something, and then risk like get like 500 shares, like $10, and then another one is it's probably gonna be the main watch for tomorrow, and then um yeah, it's not that liquid too, so yeah, that's a problem. And then the other one also not that liquid, but it looks like it's bouncing. If it can bounce here, these are the two. And it can get volume. These are the two that I'm main watch tomorrow. And also I'm watching like stocks that have news every day. Um, like earnings or like any type of news, and I'm trading those for just one day. Um, yeah, so mostly new stock and day trades until the swings start getting follow up and hold for at least 1 or 2 days. So for now, I'm not doing that much. The account basically I can break even 571, and then um my trade seal. Yeah, so last week I didn't do a recap, but I have a kind of like a good week. But all that was one trade on AA, like a long. Um, yeah, so it was basically like this break of the day. I got it and then I sold it. I think the same day at the end of the day, and then look, and then the next day it didn't follow through. It just stuck, and then the third day it just flushed back, and then it just like I think gap down or reverse. Let's see. Yeah, so I bought it here, and then the next day flush, it hold, but then like it just stay in this range, and then it gap down. It would never like if I would have swing it, I probably have to sort something like around this area, maybe like here or here or here. So I was gonna sell like almost the same place that I sold, and then the rest was gonna get stopped out in the gap down. So this is what I'm saying, like you get a push and then it don't like it never holds, like it's not holding. So it's just staying there or it's just like reversing the next couple of days or the same day. So that's why I'm not swing trading. Yeah, only thing that I don't like is like my profit to lose is almost like it's less than 2 to 1. Before when I was like seeing swing trading, it was like 3, almost 4 to 1. But the win rate was like 25. So that's the thing with day trading. When you day trade, like your win rate gets bigger, but like your your ratio like goes down. Like for example, like before mine was 3.5 or 3 to 1, and now it's not even one. It's even 2 to 1. It's one, like 160 to 1. So that's the only problem. But for now, that's what I'm gonna have to be doing. Yeah. So and then also I'm taking less trade. You see, like this one was a lot of trades, and it was not even that much. But here, one trade, two, one, one, two. So I'm trying to don't take that many trade. This one again, long coin. This was a day trade. And PL, like it was a gap up play, like a news play again. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So for this month again, for this the rest of the month, it's gonna be again a day trade. Like not holding stock overnight, just selling in like spikes. Like if I buy like a opening range break, just sell in less than 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, maybe hold a piece. If the settle in the daily looks good, maybe hold a piece until the end of the day, but I'm not swinging. Also doing a little bit more like small cups that are setting up, and just news plays every day. Yeah, I think that's all. Let me see. Yeah, Tracy. I'm like 68 of the month. I'm gonna if I can finish this month green and start April green doing day trades. I'm probably gonna for this week. I'm probably if I'm already in the account more than I don't know like 500 uh 600 or I mean 10,650 or something or more. I'm gonna start doing more risk if I keep getting good day trades. But yeah, it's gonna be day trade for now until we can start swinging. I don't know, until the QQQ and the SPY can go back over the EMAs. And for now, the looks like this half, it looks like it's gonna take at least 2 to 3 more months. So it's probably gonna be 2 to 3 months of day trades, maybe like bounce play or mean reversions, but that's the only thing it's gonna be. I'm not swinging. The only thing that I might swing is mean reversion and overextension. Like I don't know, some stocks that are like flushed down and then to like a key level or like a moving average, and then I see start bouncing. But yeah, I'm not looking at those that much. I'm buying stock for my Roth IRA and like investment. Those are the only things that I'm doing. I'm looking Amazon to buy some, Apple in the 200, and Uber. I like Uber a lot like for long term. So I'm waiting to buy a little bit of Uber, Amazon, and more. But that is just investment or trade. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for now.